Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel inkitdesigns. Let's create accordion font. Let's get started. Select the text tool and write headlines. Adjust the text size. Select the frame to create an icon placeholder. Rename the frame to icon. Now adjust the size of the placeholder. We can adjust it later as well. Now copy the headlines, fill in the text, adjust the text size. Make sure it is as same width as both of the elements above. I have kept the size of this content to be around 12 pixels. Select these two and press Shift A to add auto layout. Let's name this auto layout as headlines and icon. Make sure headline has a width set to fill container and change the spacing between the two to 0. Select the auto layout and the content layer and press Shift A to apply auto layout. Name it to as accordion font. Decrease the spacing all the way to 0. Make sure that the headline and the icon frame is also set to fill container. Change the text content also to fill container. Now the accordion fold frame becomes responsive, that is, modification occurs with respect to changes in the width. Now set the spacing, margins, paddings, and let's fill the container. There you go. And finally round the corners. Let me decrease the size of this to, let's say, 24 by 24. Yes, perfect. There you go. Now let me create a frame of 24 by 24 so that I can replace this icon placeholder with the real icon in it. Now it's time to create a component and create a variant of it. Now name this as closed and name this as opened. I have also renamed the properties to state. Since this is closed, let us delete the content. Now here is a thing in auto layout. When I actually deleted it, it is not deleted, but the visibility is turned off. Let's rotate this icon upwards. Now let's prototype it. Just set the interaction as I have shown in this video. Let's add interaction only in this particular area, not the overall content. Let's test our interactions. Now to cope up with this kind of problems, just stack your accordion folds in auto layout. I will show you how. Stack all the accordion folds, Shift A, and there you go. That's all in today's video. In the next video, we will learn how we can use this accordion fold. If you like today's video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Stay connected.